here when you look into the 6 windows, the pivot point, that is a P level, is same for traditional pivot, Fibonacci pivot. Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the pivot points and what are the different types of pivot points. Alright. So basically, what is the meaning of pivot points? Pivot points are technical analysis indicator that can be used to determine the overall trend of the market. That is, by using the pivot point, we can understand whether the market is in the bullish trend or in the bearish trend. Alright. So, they are calculated using the high, low and close price of a security for the given period of time and can be used on any time frame. So, say for example, if you are using for the 5 minutes or 15 minutes as an intraday trader, that will helps to, means that is calculated using the high, low and close price of the security. That is for the given period of time for the particular period. If you are using the 15 minutes time frame. So, if you are using 1 hour or daily time frame, it is calculated based on the high, low and close price based on that 1 hour time frame. Okay. So, in the pivot points, there are so many different types of pivot points are there. So, we can learn that also in detail or we can understand that in detail. What are the different types of pivot points? So, there are several different types of pivot points. They are traditional pivot points, Fibonacci pivot points, Woody pivot points, classic pivot points, Camarilla, DMARC pivot points. So, we will be using these different types of pivot points in our daily trading. Okay. So, here each pivot points will be calculated. That is, each pivot point, the support and resistance is calculated based on the high, low and close. But the calculation will be different. Alright. So, it depends upon each person, each trader, which types of or which pivot point we have to use in our trading. What is the meaning of pivot points? Pivot points are significant levels and can use to determine the directional movement and potential support and the resistance levels. Okay. So, pivot points use the prior periods high, low and close to estimate future support and resistance level. That is, if you are into particular trade, in order to identify where is the next resistance, or if you are in the short trade, where is the next support. So, if you use the pivot points, it will be easy for us to analyze the support and resistance levels. Pivot points are predictive or leading indicators. With this pivot point as the base, future calculations were used to set support 1, that is S1, S2, R1 and R2 levels. These levels would then use to assess their trading throughout the day. So, these resistance and support will help us to assist in our trading in order to book our profits, also enter into the trades. So, in this chart, we can see that there are 6 different pivot points. Okay. So, this is the Nifty 15 minutes time frame chart. So, the first window is the traditional pivot. This is the Fibonacci pivot, Woody pivot, classic pivot, DMARC pivot and Camarilla pivot. Okay. So, here when you look into the 6 windows, the pivot point, that is a P level, is same for traditional pivot, Fibonacci pivot, classic pivot and Camarilla pivot. But the P level calculation is different for DMARC pivot and the Woody pivot. Okay. Also, when you look into the support and the resistance level, that is R1, R2, S1, S2 levels is also different for the each pivot. Means the each pivot calculation is different. Okay. So, when you look into this traditional pivot, the P level is 22,089 and also when you look into the R1 for traditional is 22,261. But when you look into the Fibonacci, the R1 is 22,199. That is, the calculation of the resistance and support level vary for each pivot. Okay. So, when you click on settings, okay, the type is Fibonacci, which I have selected. Pivot time frame is auto, but if you are doing the swing trading, auto is for the intraday traders. It will calculate the previous day high, low and close, and it is calculating the support and the resistance level. But if you are doing the swing trading, you can click on weekly and you can click on OK. So, the levels changed here. But the S3 level is 22,113. Okay. So, you can see here this level. Okay. And also number of pivot back, that is number of pivot back is like the history level of support and resistance and P level, which will show for the past 50 days. Okay, so that is the meaning of number of pivot back. And what is the meaning of show label? Show label, when you uncheck these show labels, we cannot see the S1 or S2 or the pivot level. Just lines we can see there. Okay. And show prices. What is meaning of show prices? When you uncheck this, we cannot see these levels. We cannot see the prices of the, that is, we cannot see the levels of the pivots or the support or the resistance level. So if you want that, you can click on show prices. Okay. And the label position is left. Okay, means that we can see on the left side of the candles, we can see the label position. If you want to click that on right, we can see the levels, that is S1 and the prices on the right side of the candles. Okay, and also the line width. Line width, we can see this is the 3, that is the width of the pivot and the support and the resistance. But if you want to change that to, if you want more width, you can click on 7 or 8 based on like your vision. Okay, then click on OK. So here we can see the width is like we can see the thick lines, but I have made it as 2. Okay, and click on OK. And the pivot point, support one, and the resistance level we can see here. And under the style we can see the labels and the lines. This is checked by default. Okay, now click on OK. So till now we have seen what are the different types of pivots and how we are using that in our trading. So what are the different support and the resistance level in our pivot points. All right. So here we can see this is the pivot point, that is PR1. So here we can see that the price opened exactly at R1 on March 13th. Okay. After that, once this is a red candle, and after that price took support at the pivot, and immediately when the price is breaking, giving a breakdown below the P, we can see the next support is S1. Okay, so what it means is, if the price is trading above the pivot point, you can see here above the pivot point means the prices or the particular index or stock is looking bullish. If the price is trading below the pivot points, means the index is looking bearish. Okay, means the overall trend of the particular stock or for particular index we can understand by looking into the pivot points. Okay. So till now we learned what are the pivot points and how to understand the overall trend of the market and how to enter into the long and the short trade. So if you are trading for intraday, you are trading with the traditional pivot, you can use one EMA, that is exponential moving average. Here we can see that the length is 34. Okay. So once the price is below the P level, that is a pivot point. Here this is example of 5th March. So price is below the pivot point. So you understood that the trend is bearish. Okay, and price took resistance at the pivot level. So if you enter into the trade, the support level, that is the target levels, are S1, S2, S3, S4. You can exactly see that the price took support at S1, S2 and S3. Okay. Also, you are using the 34 EMA. Here we can see that the price took resistance at the 34 EMA also. Alright. So you got the double confirmation in order to enter into the short trade. So you can book your profit at S2 and S3 if you are entering the trade at S1 breakdown. Alright. Okay. And after that price took support, and after that in this case you can enter into the long trade. In this green candle you can enter into the long trade here. So how this R1, R2, S1 and S2, these are all the support and resistance levels. So how these levels will work and how can we enter into the trade. So we understood now what are these levels. Okay. So now if the price is taking support at S3, okay, when we look into this red candle, this is a pin bar candle because there is a rejection. Okay, because if this low is broken, then we can consider again one more short trade, but price took support and also we got a pin bar candle and again consolidated and we got a green candle. So we can consider entering into this long trade above this green candle, keeping the low of this green candle as stop loss. Okay. So you can see that the next target will be S2. Okay. After that, if the price is again giving a breakout at S2, you can trade your profits till S1 and P levels. Alright. Here we got confirmation that price is trading above the 34 EMA also. Okay, so this is the stop loss and we can see that the stop loss didn't come. Okay. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.